Tommy Lucchese, a prominent figure in the American Mafia, was known not only for his leadership skills but also for his strategic alliances. In his pursuit of power and dominance, Lucchese formed crucial partnerships with other influential mobsters. This video explores his infamous alliances with Carlo Gambino and Vito Genovese, two of the most influential figures in organized crime, and the impact these partnerships had on the criminal underworld. Carlo Gambino and the Gambino-Lucchese connection. The alliance between Tommy Lucchese and Carlo Gambino solidified their positions as two of the most powerful mob bosses in New York City. Despite their initial rivalry, they recognized that joining forces would yield greater benefits. Through this alliance, Lucchese and Gambino established a dominant presence in various criminal activities, including extortion, illegal gambling, and labor racketeering. The collaboration between the Lucchese and Gambino crime families allowed them to share resources, expand their territories, and resolve conflicts more effectively. Their union created a powerful force that intimidated rivals and demanded respect within the mafia hierarchy. The depth of their alliance became evident in their joint operations, illustrating the strength that came from their combined forces. The Genovese connection. While the partnership between Tommy Lucchese and Vito Genovese was not as closely tied as the one with Carlo Gambino, it still played a significant role in shaping the dynamics of organized crime. Genovese, a former underboss of the Luciano crime family, had ambitions of his own and sought to expand his influence. Lucchese recognized the value in aligning with Genovese to achieve mutual goals. The importance of the Lucchese-Genovese alliance was evident in their joint efforts to form the mafia's ruling body known as the Commission. Both leaders understood the necessity of unity to maintain a stable and profitable criminal network. Through this collaboration, Lucchese and Genovese solidified their positions within the American Mafia, establishing a power base that extended beyond their individual families. Impact on organized crime. The alliances with Gambino and Genovese allowed Tommy Lucchese to project formidable strength and bolster his criminal operations. The partnerships created a more secure environment for their respective families by offering mutual protection and support. Additionally, the combined resources and influence of these three families enabled them to exploit lucrative opportunities, such as drug trafficking and construction racketeering, on a grand scale. However, these alliances were not without their tensions and conflicts. Power struggles and rivalries often arose, leading to internal mob wars and even the assassination of key figures. While the collaborations provided short-term benefits, they also created vulnerabilities within the partnerships and heightened the risks of betrayal. Conclusion. Tommy Lucchese's alliances with Carlo Gambino and Vito Genovese were instrumental in shaping the course of organized crime in New York City. These alliances allowed him to expand his influence, gain access to new resources, and exert control over criminal enterprises. The Gambino-Lucchese and Lucchese-Genovese connections symbolize the intricate web of relationships and power dynamics within the American Mafia. Though marked by a delicate balance, these partnerships ultimately contributed to the rise and dominance of Tommy Lucchese in the criminal underworld.